Urea othuri gutwika ambasada wa Somalia KUBAI Kiringo ni amakite kamiti ya mbunge iria iramunga Mauri nyuma yawe kuga agachemania na kiama bagi kundi kiregene watho kia ALSHABAAB kenda batiga kwithukira Kenya. Kiringo uria wari mubunge wa Igembe Central kibindi kithirwa ugite na umenyo bwa mwanya ja mukuru wa Njuri Ncheke na akomba kuthiria mpithukiro iji.
Agwikinyithia mbere kamiti okaria na mantu jangu ateno shanthiguro ciome kiri shughuli ya Kungwa Mauri kendonekana thirwa kiombana na ngoge ya basinda ndene nthiguro ne Somalia.
I, Cyprian KUBAI Ringo, do swear that
Mheshimiwa Ringo mwana KUBAI na rigariria kiama nimekugwata ndewa ngoshi na kwithirwa babangi batumba kwithirwa ba KUUGA are ugire kumane no njulu bobo kugwathani akethirwa akiri na ne ba ALSHABAAB kenda batiga kura Kenya.
Sometimes I believe in dialogue. We can get even these people and sit with them and discuss and see what is your problem. Why do you want to go this direction? How can we live on fighting to the end of the days? Why don't you sit down and agree on 1, 2, 3? And I believe I have some qualities of arbitration as a Njuri Ncheke mzee, and I can put my foot forward and see that those things happen.
I don't know if Njuri Ncheke applies in diplomacy.
A lot of it.
Na nonto thiri kuote biure bya kiama bikonekana mono bimantu ja mwanka na inyankuru kigocokire nje nthiguro Kenya kumaroterwa Somalia. Mheshimiwa Ringo mwana KUBAI na bicokerie ja mturathitio mwake obubwega arugire ojo.
What do you envisage in terms of resolving the issue of maritime dispute that has existed for many years between Kenya and Somalia in your capacity as ambassador?
I believe where I come from, Meru, and especially the town of Maui, the population of Somalis there is almost 50-50 with the Marians, and they have lived with them very amicably, and I know them. And they happen to be there because of this Mira trade. So when we are with them there, I usually learn a lot about Somalia and other people coming from there. So I strongly believe, given a chance to go there, I will be able to promote that relationship further.
What do you think is the implication of the Kenya Defense Forces withdrawing from Somalia?
I will put in my effort to see that at least if those soldiers leave, they leave the country when it is peaceful enough. And if they have to stay, they don't overstay without doing any much.
Mnaku nonto mugojo monene jwari suruto ko mutara Kiringo gutorotera Somalia nonto manto jamira Iringo ake ari na rikithiria kiama eja kunenkero kanya gaka akethiro gicokire kogwerwa kiri ari mna biashara ba mira.
We should have a balanced trade, because the other day I was looking at the documents and I found that we are doing more trade. We are selling more than the Somalia is selling to us. And there could be a feeling that where we selling more to you, and you are not opening this border, or we are getting this bottlenecks.
How are you going to cooperate with the Somalian government to see that we are going to have a peaceful cross-border trade between the two countries, not forgetting that the Mira cartels are very strong. They have been hindering our people from transporting Mira, and the far we go is up to Goroson Airport. From there, they inject the situation.
We would like to see a situation whereby a Somali person from Somali should not have any problem when coming to Kenya, and especially that we are dealing in the same trade with them. And if we happen to open those borders and we have them coming to us and trade with us, even with the gates for selling more Mira will come in, and they might also bring in more goods to our country, more than we can get.
Mheshimiwa Ringo na nditire gukarira gite kira karinia basi na General Thomas Chepkuto ororo tere murijo na mwaka muthiru nyume ororo General Lucas Tumbo kwethire kinyugo nthigoro akarita kwa miaka 3 Ringo orethero na kithomo ke mantu ja mbesha nene na kibaro giki nene yakone ngogi njega ngorukia General Babo Baire.
It's a tall order, but I know I'll make it, and I won't let this committee down, I won't let the government down, and I will be a good ambassador. I will be the face of our country in that sister country of ours.
Reporter Ntosharo TV kumaje karone bya bunge kingi na ngine kinene ke mushoje Nairobi Mbeta Boniface Mongera.